Hello, beautiful people. Do you guys know the difference between in and into? On and onto? What does to do here? What difference does it make? Let us understand this. Let us start with in and into. When do we use in? Guys, we use the preposition in to indicate that something or somebody is inside a place or inside a space covered by boundaries or borders around it. That's why we use in, right? To say that something or somebody is inside a place. Now, when do we use into? Why do we use to here? Consider this word as an amalgamation of two words in and to. Why do we use in? We use in to indicate that something or somebody is inside a place. We already know this. Why do we use to? We use the preposition to indicate a movement in a particular direction. Go to your room. He's moving to my apartment. Indicates a movement. So together this word into indicates an action towards the inside of a place. Indicates an action towards the inside of a place. Himani is cooking in the kitchen. Himani is cooking in the kitchen. Now guys, understand, she's already there in the kitchen. She is within the boundaries of the kitchen and she's doing what she's doing, which is cooking in the kitchen. She's not going from one place to another. She's already there. But Tina is going into the kitchen. Tina is going into the kitchen. You can clearly see that she's not in the kitchen, right? She's going from one distinct location to another distinct location, which is the kitchen. So there is a movement, there is an action that's happening from one particular place to another, and that is why we're using into here. Tina is going into the kitchen, starts from her room and goes into the kitchen. The guy is in the pool, or the guy is swimming in the pool. He is already there, okay? He is inside the pool and he's doing whatever he's doing inside that particular place. But here, this guy is jumping into the pool. This guy is jumping into the pool. He is not in the pool right now. Please understand this. He's going from one particular location, one distinct location, which is the land, right? And he's going from that particular location to another, which is the water, which is the pool. So he is going from one location to another. He is moving towards a particular location and he's going inside that particular location. Getting the point? If you simply want to focus on the movement in a particular direction, use to or towards, don't use into. He is going to his office. He is going to his office, indicating the location. That's exactly where he is going, indicating where he's going. He's going to his office. He is going towards his office. We can also say that. Here it's not certain that his office is the accurate location where he's going or not. He might be stopping there, he might stop before the office, he might even cross the office, but he's going to be near that office, right? If you only want to focus on the movement in a particular direction, simply use to, don't use into. Now guys, answer these two questions. She is dancing in the room, okay? The action is happening in the room. She's not moving from one distinct location to another. No, that's not what's happening here. Whatever is happening, which is dancing, is happening in a particular location, which is the room. I am running in the park. Again, whatever the action is happening, which is running, is happening inside the park. Okay? Now let us talk about on and onto. Guys, we use on to indicate that something or somebody is on the surface of a thing, okay, on top of it. And why do we use onto? Why do we use this extra word to? What does it do? Again, take it as an amalgamation of two words, on and to. On means on the surface of a thing, to a movement in a particular direction. Examples: the book is on the table, on the surface of the table, on the top of it. Okay, it's already there. There is no movement. Can you put the book onto the table? The book is not there, guys. There's a movement towards the surface of this thing, table, right? Can you put the book onto the table? You can see that. He's putting the book onto the table. We can also say on the table. That would also be correct. But again, if you want to be technically correct, go with onto. Next example. The phone is lying on the couch. The phone is lying on the couch, already there. I threw my phone onto my couch. A movement towards the surface of this thing, which is couch. I threw it onto my couch. So guys, that was about today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do it right now. Press the bell icon as well. And I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, keep learning, have fun. I love you all. You know this. I'm out.